Hi guys, so I'll be showing you how to transform and get your hair tight basically. It's been 3 or so days now since I did my hair and it's looking a hot mess. We need to bring it back to life. So we need tools. You need to get yourself a brush, a hair brush. If you can get yourself this one or any other one. You need these air jams, the transparent one, this one, and then the black one, this one. You need a hair mousse. You need yourself a brush like this, and you need a hair band. So I'm just going to brush my hair back. I've already parted it, but I'll fix the part. Now I'm going to pick up the mousse. Oh no. And I'm going to comb again. So now that my hair has been tied back like that, I need to fix the front of my hair. So I'll first start off with this one. And then just put that all over my edges. This is step 1. And I'm taking the big brush. I'm just going to sweep all that back and then my edges down like that. Like that. Okay, so now that everything has been swept back, now I'm going to take my toothbrush. Let's get closer. So now I like to bring the front, just bring it all to the front like this, so I know what I'm working with, and then I start by doing this. And as you can see, my hair really comes so close to my eyebrows, so I just like to sweep that. They are quite long, so if you have a small tail comb, that will be great. If you don't, you make use of what you have. So like that. There's still hair here. So I'm using the back of the toothbrush to just press it down. So you can just play with it and see what you come up with. Trying to take away some of the hair, but try and bring some forward. It looks a mess because of the what do you call it, the foundation around the hair. That's why the black gel comes into play. I don't know if I like the curl. It's good. It's still good. Let's leave it. So now I'm going to take the black gel. This thing is really black, so I like to just tap just a little. So even this is a lot, so I'm just going to take some away, and then I don't like to just go in straight away. I like to just put it on my hand, the back of my hand, just so I can control the amount of black gel I take. So I'm just going to lean forward, and this is just kind of like coating what I've already done, so I'm not really pressing too hard on what I've done. I'm just using it to sort of paint it to cover any brownness or foundation, just so I get that black edges back. So I'm really just tapping over what I've done. Like that. So I'm just going over. So even if you have some spaces in your hair, the black sort of covers any area. And whilst you're doing this, you can perfect what you've done over here. It's very black, so you have to be really light-handed so you don't make your entire face black. I'm just cleaning this to clean the gel around my face. I'm just patting around it so it's not oily. Now that I'm done with that, I like to just put it here in the beginning of the line, and then a little bit. And then I'm not done. I take my got2b glue. It's looking a mess. Then I spray some, because I don't want to spray too much on my edges, so I spray it at the back of my hand like that, and I take the back of the toothbrush and literally I just tap on where I've done the edges. Just tap on it, just so it lasts longer, because the other one is just a gel, so it's not going to make it stay for too long. Try not to get this all over your skin, because it's just going to dry up on your skin, and you see that. If you get some on your skin too, you can just take a wipe and wipe that off. And now you need a scarf, and I'm just going to lay this on my edges like that, then tie it. And just leave it on for a while, maybe 10 minutes. Just leave it on and do other things. I'm going to take my mascara and do some makeup, and then I will be back. So I've done my makeup. I wanted to do something extra, just a long eyeliner with a brown eyeshadow, and I put lip gloss on top of it, and that's it. So I'm going to take this off now. I'm going to use the makeup sponge to just, because it seems there's a line, just buff that out, the line from the scarf. So I'm putting my translucent powder. I took it too high. Just putting my translucent powder there, just so, yeah. So this is it. Now my hair is back to looking slick and nice. So now let me give you a 360. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. I hope you guys will tag me if you should recreate this. I know it's a normal look, it's a ponytail, back ponytail, but this is how I do mine. So if you should recreate it, definitely tag me so I can see it, and make sure to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios, bye bye, bye bye.